Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another garden update. As you can see, I'm sitting in my greenhouse and I wanted to show you what is blooming in here. First, I have my primrose that's been blooming. I have two of them. One is an orange one and one is a pink one. These guys just keep on blooming. Look at that. And then I also have the cymbidium, and all four of them are open. And if you remember from my previous video, this cymbidium belonged to my dad. All four of them are blooming. And I also have these petunias. These guys are just amazing. Look at the colors on these. Beautiful. I also wanted to give you an update on how the plants are doing in the greenhouse. These are my zinnias and they will be ready to go out very soon. And these are some stalks over here. And these will be ready to go out as well. These are the petunias. And I've already planted many petunias outside. They are really healthy. I also wanted to show you how the tulips are doing in this corner. If you remember, I planted these last fall. And look at how beautiful they look. The temperature today is 78 degrees and they're just loving this heat. Also out here in the garden, I wanted to show you a couple of things. I have some petunias that came back from last year and they are blooming. Look at this. It's beautiful. And here's another one. The purple one. That's it for now, but there is always something blooming in this garden, so I'm going to give you another update in a few weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.